everyone, and welcome to Hands on Science. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey.
Hey Mel, what is this contraption you have for us?
It's a fence.
It's a fence.
Just kidding.
Oh.
It's actually, hold on to one side.
Okay.
Let's kind of
got
put it
it.
tight. I'm going to hold this side and just sort of like tap it.
Oh, that's cool.
See what happens.
It makes a wave.
It's creating a wave.
Oh, how fun.
So it's a wave generator. And it's super simple to make. As you can see, we just use some craft sticks.
Mm-hmm.
We use the jumbo ones. I'm sure you can use this regular size.
Uh-huh.
We have like clear tape, skinny clear tape. You
Oh,
can
okay,
also
like just
just
office
regular
tape.
office tape.
Got it.
Place the popsicles, craft sticks in the middle,
Mm-hmm.
right, of it. Tape one side, and then you tape it on the
Flip
other
it over. I was just going to say, it feels like they're sandwiched
and then
together.
you flip it and you tape
Cool.
the other side. So you can use clear tape. We use clear tape, but you can also use, of course, masking tape.
Okay.
You know,
this
that
is
works.
cool. So you could use smaller sticks, but you could also use longer sticks.
Yes, you can.
That's awesome. How simple.
Dowels and skewers, and it just causes it to just kind of cause a ripple here.
Yeah.
A wave.
It's awesome.
Cool.
Well, cool. Thanks for bringing this by, Mel. I thought this was super cool. Guys,
Yep.
if you think this is as cool as I think it is cool, please make sure to subscribe for more Hands on Science. We'll see you next time.
Bye.